In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Apple Music not syncing library. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you're going to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network, and Apple Music needs a strong internet connection to sync your library. Also, sign in into the same Apple ID that you have previously done. Make sure that you've done that. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go to your settings, music, and sync library should be turned on. You can also check system status, apple.com/support/system status, and make sure that Apple Music isn't experiencing any outages. Always make sure that your device has the latest version of the iOS, and you can try restarting your device as well. You can also check your iCloud music library by going to settings, music, and turning on the sync library as I already mentioned before. You're going to simply go ahead and make sure that your storage space is also enough, and try logging out and logging in, or even resetting your network settings. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.